Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to easily download a PDF file directly to your device using the WhatsApp app on your PC. Whether you're managing work documents, school files, or personal attachments, this quick guide will show you the newest way to save PDFs from chats in just a few simple steps. First, open the WhatsApp app on your computer. Make sure you're signed in through the Settle desktop application, not the web browser version, so you can access the full range of features. Once it's open, take a moment to let all your chats fully load. Next, open the chat that contains the PDF file you want to download. This could be an individual conversation or a group chat. Scroll through the messages until you find the one that includes the PDF. You'll notice it appears as a file icon, usually with the document title and size displayed underneath. Once you've found the file, hover over it and click the small download icon that appears. WhatsApp will begin downloading the file to your PC. Depending on your settings, it might open a window asking where you want to save it. This is where the new update makes things even smoother. After the download completes, click on Save As. This option lets you choose exactly where to store your PDF file on your computer. You can pick any folder, for example, your Documents folder, desktop, or a custom project directory. Just make sure to choose a location that's easy to remember. Finally, click Save, and that's it. Your PDF is now safely stored on your device and ready to open anytime you need it. You can view it directly from the folder, share it, or move it to another location whenever you like. Downloading files on the WhatsApp PC app has never been more convenient. The new update makes it simple, fast, and completely intuitive. No extra tools or setup required. Try it out and keep your important files just a click away right on your computer.